7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're looking at Tron. Tron is an altcoin, currently ranked number 13 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 year, it has gone as high as $0.12 and as low as $0.04. It's currently trading for $0.08 per Tron. It has a market capitalization of $7 billion. We'll be talking about Tron USD price chart. We're talking about Tron versus Bitcoin, Tron versus Ethereum, and we'll also be looking at the Tron market cap chart. Then we'll look at the Tron dominance chart. And guys, can Tron get to $1? I'll be looking at the price chart to show us the way. Can it get to as high as $1? In the last 1 year, it has gotten as high as 12 cents. We'll be looking at the price chart to show us whether Tron can actually get to as high as $1. Are we going to the moon? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, in the last 1 year, Tron has been one of the strongest cryptocurrency. You can see that in the last 1 year, it is up 10%. In the last 1 month, it's up 23%. In the last 1 week, it's still up 3.5%. And Tron has been one of the strongest coins in the downtrend. The whole crypto market has been in the downtrend. Even Bitcoin, and the leader in the market, Bitcoin is down in the last 1 year. You can see Bitcoin is down 12% in the last 1 year. It's down 16% in the last 1 month. But Tron will have still giving you a positive result. If you have held Tron throughout the year, you can see that Tron is still in positive. That's why it's one of the strongest projects in the crypto space. And if you're watching this video, you know what Tron is. Tron, TRX, is a decentralized blockchain-based system developed by the Tron Foundation and launched in 2017. Originally, TRX tokens were ERC20 based tokens deploying the Ethereum, but a year later they were moved to their own network. Where can you get some Tron? If you want to get some, you can get some on Binance, on FTX, on Hugo Global, on K.io, on Polynex, on Bitfinex, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins, you can get Tron over there. It's currently ranked number 13 on CoinMarketCap. It's almost a top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization. It has a market cap of $7.7 billion. A circulating supply of $93.95 billion. As that means for Tron to get to $1, the market capitalization of Tron will get to $93 billion. Can it do that? I'll be looking at the Tron market cap chart later in this video. But right now, let's look at the Tron US dollar price chart. So this price chart is as far back as 2017 for Tron to 2022 when this video is recorded, and you can see that people that got Tron on the 4th of December 2017 and they enjoyed mad returns. This Tron on the weekly chart, so each bar here represents 1 week, and you can see that in 35 days they returned over 15,000%. And 2017 was crazy for the crypto space. All coins were going crazy. You could launch anything and the next day it will actually literally be going to the moon. But after that frenzy happened, after the markets went on the bear market, Bitcoin tanked from 20k to 3k. Bitcoin found its bottom December 2017, and you can see that was the same period of time that Tron actually found its bottom in the market. But it didn't do that without crashing over 96%. So Tron in the bear market is actually really very volatile. If you think about it, for it to crash 96% from its all-time high, and was that the bottom for Tron in the market? That was not actually even the bottom for Tron in the market. And the rally we had after the whole capitulation, and Tron went up 263%. Bitcoin actually outperformed it in that period in time because Bitcoin went up over 300%. And the corresponding crash that happened after that, Tron actually went down another 81%. And that's why you want to be careful with these altcoins. If you're in a bear market, they can actually fall 90% and fall another 90% again. Don't think that your altcoin is down 90%. That's why it's cheap. It can actually fall down another 90%. But the thing is that when the market is pumping, all these altcoins actually pump crazy. You can see Tron from the bottom of the market to the top of the market. That happened for Tron on the 12th of April 2021. You can see that Tron went up over 2,000%. It almost got to its previous all-time high. It didn't get there. Tron got to as high as 17 cents. For it to get to $1, it has to at least triple its previous all-time high, which is 30 cents. It has not gotten into that 30 cents anytime since 2018. It got to as high as 17 cents. That was in just 400 days. It went up over 2,000%. But since then, it has been going sideways, or it has been consolidating. You expect crypto to do this kind of thing, any asset to do this kind of move after a long period of uptrend. Now it has been consolidating in the last 420 days, so it has spent almost equal amount of time moving up from the bottom of the market since 2020 and consolidating sideways. So in the last 800 days, it has spent half of it moving upwards and the other half just losing over 75% of its value. But Tron is actually holding up well in the market, and since when on the bottom of the market came in January 2022, 24th January 2022, it has not actually bottomed. It has actually been creating higher highs. Is this showing us what the rest of the market should be doing? Is Bitcoin just capitulating? Bitcoin is currently trading for lower than 30k at the point of recording this video. We're still waiting for Bitcoin to show us the way, but if Tron is anything to go by, it looks as if we'll be seeing higher prices for Tron. Now, if we use the Fibonacci extension tool on the Tron US dollar price chart to see how Tron can go in the next bull run, how high can it go in the next bull run? And right now it's currently going for 0.08, and for it to reach its all-time high from where we are right now, we have to actually pump around 256%, which is very, very possible for us to get to the high that we actually set in April 2021. That was when Bitcoin was 64k. We just have to pump a 110% pump. And guys, a 110% pump in crypto is basically just like a 3-hour or 4-hour pump. It's very, very possible to happen. It can happen any day, anytime. This Fibonacci extension tool is telling us that Tron can get to as high as $1. It can even get higher than $1. But when will the market cap of Tron get above $93 billion, guys? Because you can see that we have 93 billion tokens of Tron in circulation, and right now they are all valued at $7.7 billion. For Tron to actually be valued at $1, it means the market cap of Tron will be around $93.95 billion. Is that possible? Yes, it's possible. There's nothing impossible. Everything is possible. It just requires time and patience. If you look at the Tron Bitcoin pairing, you can see that since 2017, when it set its all-time high against Bitcoin, it's actually been losing value against Bitcoin. From where we are right now, it's down 86% from its 2016, it's down from its 2018 high against Bitcoin, and you can see that at some point in time it went to as low as 95% against Bitcoin. This was when Bitcoin was mooning and altcoins were actually just waiting for Bitcoin to lead the way. This was in early 2021. Since then, Tron has actually performed well against Bitcoin since 2021. It's actually up 260% against Bitcoin. This is one of the few coins that is actually still outperforming Bitcoin from January 2021, which is actually nice to see, and it's still up in the rankings. It's currently ranked number 13 on coin market cap, which is crazy if you think about it. A lot of people laughed at Tron in the beginning, calling it a shit coin, but you can see that Tron is holding up well. And when Bitcoin, when we're in altcoin season, when the altcoins are pumping, you can see that Tron actually pumps well. It gives it kind of outperforms the market most of the time. It's just that when the market dumps, it dumps well. When the last 1 year it has been performing well, and the first guys that got Tron here got huge returns on investment for their own money. They got over 12,000% on their Bitcoin investment that they substituted for Tron here. If they sold all those Tron here, they would have been able to get a lot of Bitcoins with the money. The Bitcoin pairing is showing us that Tron is holding up well. It's not even near its previous all-time high. For us to get to where we were in 2019 on the Bitcoin pairing, we have to pump over 223%. If you look at the Ethereum pairing for Tron, it's almost the same story. The all-time high for it was set in 2019 on the Ethereum pairing. When Tron was launched in 2017, it started getting on Ethereum. It set a new all-time high on Ethereum pairing. That's in November 2017 when the market was topping. Ethereum, Tron went up over 7,200% on Ethereum. Then it crashed. It crashed as all these altcoins always do. It crashed over 84%. What happened after that? It still pumped. It still pumped another 591%, almost 600% against Ethereum. This was 2019. Since then, guys, what has Tron been doing? It has been losing value against Ethereum. And so, can it get to $1? I think it can get to $1 if it continues this uptrend against Ethereum. You can see right here. It looks as if it has bottom against Ethereum. It has touched this bottom thrice. You don't want Tron to come back to this bottom against Ethereum. It might give way, but it looks as if the bottom is in for Tron against Ethereum. So if you flipped your Ethereum for Tron right here, you would have been happy because you are outperforming Ethereum by over 124%. And for us to get to the all-time high of Tron against Ethereum, that's if you flip your Ethereum for Tron right now, for you to make the maximum profit, if we go to the previous all-time high on this pairing, we have to see Tron will have to pump 1,200% against Ethereum. Is that possible for Tron users? I think it's possible. I think Tron can get to $1, and you can see that on the US dollar price chart is telling us that it can actually get to $1. But guys, another important chart we have to look at, the market cap chart is telling us that Tron's market cap can get to as high as $83 billion. That's almost $1. So that $1 is going to be a very, very important resistance for Tron. If I have some Tron, if it starts getting to 70 cents, 80 cents, I might be selling some, because according to the Fibonacci extension to the top of this extension to this telling us that Tron's market cap can get to as high as $83 billion. And from where we are currently, for Tron to get there, Tron has to pump over 939%. Is it possible? Can Tron do that? Yes, it can do that, and very, very possible. I've seen crazier things in the crypto space, and Tron is actually holding up well. The market has been in turmoil, the market has been in a downtrend for a while, but you can see that Tron is one of those coins that's been holding its own in the market. It's still green on the yearly, and Bitcoin, that used to be the best performing asset in the whole crypto space, is still in the negative. So only time will tell whether Tron is going to be a good investment in the future. But so far in the last 1 year, Tron has proven that it has actually been one of the best investments to have been made in the last 1 year in the crypto space. You can see Tron dominance is still actually up, one of the few coins to have increased dominance right now, even when Bitcoin is dumping and the rest of the market is dumping. Tron's dominance is at 0.6% of the total crypto market. The highest dominance it got to January 1st, 2018. Tron dominance was around 2.5% of the total crypto market. For it to get back to those levels, and it has to pump over 300% on the dominance chart. Will it get back to those levels? Only time will tell. Can Tron get to $1? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think Tron can get to $1, set a new all-time high, or it will not break its previous all-time high at $0.3? Only time will tell who will be right. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.